How to buy gear in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to buy gear in Grow a Garden on Roblox, you need to first find the gear shop. The gear shop is run by the NPC named Eloise. So it's located opposite the seed shop near the cosmetics shop. And look for the green and white striped and a sign that says gear shop. Go up to Eloise and press E or tap on the screen prompt. Choose Show me the gear shop to see what's available and simply understand the gear. The gear shop's items change every 5 minutes, so check back often. And here's a list of gear and what it does. The first one is gardening tools, which includes a watering can, which makes plants grow faster, and it costs 50,000 for 10 uses. And there is trowel, which lets you move crops without destroying them. It costs 100,000 for 5 uses. There is also harvest tool, which instantly harvests all the fruit from the plant, and the sprinklers, which includes basic sprinkler, advanced sprinkler, guardian master sprinkler. So by recalling the wrench, it teleports you to the gear shop, which costs 150,000 for 5 uses. So you can also mark a fruit so you don't accidentally collect it. It costs 100,000 for 20 uses. And if you use lightning rod, it attracts lightning during the storms, increasing the chances of shocked mutation. And it costs about 100,000 and can be used 3 times. So what to do if the shop isn't there? You can simply go ahead and restart your game, which often fixes the problem, and you can check for updates. Make sure that your game is up to date. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.